Okie dokie. Well, hello everyone. Now today, I'm actually continuing this series. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, I have more unfinished series. I don't know how to pronounce it. But don't worry, I will finish them eventually. So, right now we're on chapter 4, basic programming. So let's go. A program is a list of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Programs control its keyboard, disk drives, display, and printer. Everything that the personal computer does, that the PC does, must be controlled by a program. The instructions for a program are written in one of the many programming languages available for your computer. We'll use BASIC, the language that comes with the IBM PC. Practice Basic. This lesson uses Practice Basic. It's like Disk Basic. A version of Basic is applied as a file on your DOS diskette. To save time, we put the Practice DOS diskette into drive A and started up DOS for you. Thank you. Let's load the Practice Basic language file from the Practice DOS diskette into the PC's internal memory. First, we gotta type basic and then press enter. That's it. Welcome to Basic. Like DOS, Basic has many commands. DOS commands do not work in Basic, and vice versa. Basic commands can be typed in upper or lowercase. The 10 function keys are used in Basic to save typing. Let's load a program file clock from the cartoon diskette now in drive A. Yeah, if you remember from last part, we did stuff with the DOS, and there was like a little cartoon diskette, and we practiced with that. So yeah, if you haven't, I would highly recommend you check out part 3. All right. Anyways, let's go. First, F3 function key. Now, since I have a laptop and it does a command, and that actually does a command, I have to hold Fn and then press F3. Now it's load. Now it has load in it, and then just type clock, ending quotations, and then enter. A copy of the program file clock has been loaded from the cartoon diskette into the PC's internal memory. Practice basic command. Practice basic doesn't know the commands you type. Press one of these commands. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, so press the F1 function key, then press the enter key, and then study the clock program. As you see, so first is CLS, clear screen, locate 614, print time, and end. That's basically basic programming. Cool. Note that each line in the program has a number and a basic command. Let's run clock in slow motion, one line at a time. Keep your eye on the screen. Press the F2 function key. So as you see, it cleared the screen. And then it just locates it at 6:14. Then it prints the time. And if you remember from part 3, we set the clock. And that's the end of the clock program. Let's change line 40 of the program so that the clock can run continuously. So all you gotta do is just type 40, go to 20, press the enter key, and then list the modified program. Let's change line 20. Let's change line 40 of the program so that the clock can run continuously. Just doing it again. I have a little bit of trouble here. Turns out I'm stupid and I just had to press page down. So yeah, that's nice. Tick, tick, tick. Now run the modified version clock. So first we have to look at the screen, press F2 or FNF2, and there we go. Look at that. It's the time. But this program never ends. You can stop it by pressing Control and Break keys. So break is another name for the scroll key. Yeah. Let's save a copy of the modified program as a program file on the cartoon diskette. So first we gotta press the F4 function key and then save it as clock 2. You made a sequel. Good. Your program is now saved on the cartoon diskette as a program file named clock2.base. DOS automatically adds the base extension basic program files. If you'd like, list or run the program again. If you if you have an IBM graphics printer, you can use the list command to print out clock 2. Make sure the printer is online. And you need so you can actually see all the commands right here at the top screen. Got kill, list, merge, name, new, renum, reset, system tron, trough, call, chain, comment, date, $sign, time, $sign, key on, off, mid, $sign, air, on, key, on, pen, option, peek, poke, randomize, random, restore, resume, return, stop, swap, wait, line, beep, circle, close. You can see all these. Chapter 5, the printer. So, yeah, I don't have a printer, so but we'll still try this. Huh. Yeah, this is it. So, yeah, we can basically skip it. Now, this is the end. You have three options: review the lesson, end the lesson, or try a new program. So, we're just going to end the lesson. So, anyways, thanks for watching the series, and now I can finally rest knowing that this series is done. And now I just have the unfinished Windows 8.1 Die series. Yep, it's been 20 days. 20 days. As of the time as recording this, that 8.1 died. And yes, this was supposed to be uploaded yesterday, but yeah, I just forgot to. Sorry.